Wouldn't it be awesome if you never ever had to charge your phone again? Like at all? Well, there's a company from China called Betavolt that just announced it has developed a coin-sized nuclear battery for your phone that can last as long as 50 years. Sound too good to be true? Nope, isotope. It's actually a thing now. Are you tired of losing your charger, getting wrapped up in your phone cord, and all those hassles of having to charge every day or multiple times a day when you're using your phone? Well, this Chinese startup has developed a battery that can generate electricity for 50 years with no recharging, no phone cords, no hassles. And it's all going to happen in the next year or so. Beijing-based Betavolt says its nuclear battery is the first in the world. It has finally realized the miniaturization of atomic energy. It's basically done by placing nickel-63 isotopes into a module smaller than a coin. How convenient is that? The company said that this next generation battery has already entered the pilot testing stage. It will soon be mass-produced for both commercial and personal applications like phones and drones. Betavolt atomic energy batteries can meet the needs of long-lasting power supply in multiple scenarios, such as aerospace, AI equipment, medical equipment, processors, advanced processors, small drones, and micro robots, said the firm in a recent media release. They say that this new energy innovation will help China gain a leading edge in the new round of the AI technological revolution. The battery works by converting the energy released by decaying isotopes into electricity. It's done through a process that was first explored in the 20th century. The quest to miniaturize and commercialize nuclear batteries was taken up under China's 5-year plan. It was designed to strengthen the country's economy from now and into 2025. The US and Europe have both been working hard on their development. China, however, is so far the only country to pull this off. Betavolt said that it's the first nuclear battery that can deliver 100 microwatts of power and a voltage of 3 volts. However, it plans to produce a battery within 1 watt of power by 2025. The atomic energy battery developed by Betavolt is absolutely safe, has no external radiation, and is suitable for use in medical devices such as pacemakers, artificial hearts, and other devices within the human body, so the company says. Atomic energy batteries are friendly for the environment. After the decay period, the 63 isotopes turn into a stable isotope of copper, which is a non-radioactive substance and does not pose any threat or pollution to the environment. Well, while I think this would be a super convenient innovation in battery technology, I do have my reservations. I love the idea of avoiding phone cords and having to recharge my phone every day, but there's something about carrying a nuclear device in my pocket around that really worries me. But if it can address some safety issues and it can actually deliver on the promise of not having to recharge for 50 years, then I would be sold. Anyway, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Canopy Crypto.